You check your bank statement. Nothing looks wrong. No big purchases. No emergencies. But somehow, by the end of every month, your account is lighter than it should be. You didn't buy anything. Or did you? Here's the thing, the money didn't disappear. It was quietly taken. $12 here. $8 there. 15 more somewhere else. Small enough that your brain never raised an alarm. But together, they're doing serious damage. This is the subscription trap. And it's probably costing you more than you realize. We live in a world that's been brilliantly designed to charge you monthly. Streaming platforms, app upgrades, cloud storage, gym memberships, meal kits, news sites, music, software. Even your razor blades come on a subscription now. And here's the psychological trick behind all of it: small numbers feel harmless. Your brain doesn't panic over $9.99. It panics over $500. But 12 subscriptions at $10 each? That's $120 a month. Over a year, that's nearly $1,500. Gone silently. Automatically. Without you ever making a conscious decision to spend it. Companies discovered something powerful about human psychology. When you pay once, you feel the pain of spending. But when you subscribe, that pain fades. The charge becomes invisible. Just a blip in your statement that your brain learns to ignore. Psychologists call this payment decoupling. The moment of enjoyment and the moment of payment get separated. So the spending never really registers as spending. And the companies? They're counting on you forgetting. Studies show that people underestimate their monthly subscriptions by nearly 40%. You think you're spending $50. You're actually spending $80. Here's the deeper problem. It's not just the money. It's the compounding effect of money you're not investing. That quiet $120 a month, if invested consistently over 20 years, could grow into something close to $70,000. You didn't lose $10 this month. You potentially lost thousands in future wealth. That's what subscriptions really cost. Not the price on the label, but the opportunity cost hiding underneath it. Once a month, do a subscription audit. Go through your bank statement and list every recurring charge. Ask yourself one simple question for each one: did I actively use this in the last 30 days? If the answer is no, cut it. Redirect even a portion of what you save into an investment account. Let that money work, instead of disappear. The subscription economy was built on one idea, that you won't notice. The best financial move you can make is to simply start noticing. Because wealth isn't just about what you earn. It's about what silently slips away while you're not looking.